Welcome to my unboxing video.
So we're gonna be unboxing these. What's this? Let's see, guys. Ooh, a baby cat. I'll just put it in the bag. Oh my god, a scarf, guys. Guys, this is so beautiful. Let's see. I'll wear this for winter. Guys, I'm just kidding. This is this card. I'll show you guys. I meant this card. Oh my god, like gorgeous. So my mom ordered this for me. Actually, she ordered it for herself, but I took it anyways, cause yeah, I love it. I'm gonna wear this next. It's like summer break now. Like I'm gonna start in fifth class, so I'm gonna wear it then. Okay, so let's move on. Just remember, at the end of the video, I will be showing you guys like something like like famous people do like giveaways. I'm gonna be doing that, but not a giveaway. I'm just going to be showing you guys. Yeah, I know that's like weird and stuff, but yeah, guys, just ignore me because I'm so cringe. Just ignore me, guys, please. When I got this, I'm gonna be opening this. Da 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 da. Okay. I don't want to ruin how it's folded. I know what these are, like arm sleeves, that thing. Let's see. Yeah, they're that thing. These arm thingies, guys. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take this out. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like an wall. Yeah, y'all, I'm so cringe, I know. But yeah, I like it. I'm gonna put it back before I ruin it and my mom yells at me. Okay, the next is this one, but I'm not gonna be opening it. Maybe in a different video, because I don't want to ruin this, because I already ruined this. How it was like folded, yeah. Okay, so this is the end of the video, but I told you guys I'll be showing something. Like that is actually that thing I'm gonna be showing you. That's actually my dad's, but I stole it and he does not know. Only my mom knows. Yep. So I'm coming back, guys. Let's see, guys. This is the thing. Like, oh my god. So small. Cut that scene, please, guys. Yep. So beautiful. Oh my god. Total. Yeah, ignore that, guys. I'm so like. Anyways, let's show you guys. So number one is this little spray. I don't know what this is. Let me use it. No, I don't want to use it. I just want to smell it. Oh no, I'm so sorry, guys. I need to go. My dad is coming. He will know I stole this. But maybe the next video I'll show you the rest. I'm so sorry, guys. Bye. Have a great night.